guys, so we are up on this mountain. This is we're going towards Idyllwild, and it's okay. The weather drastically changed. This morning it was extremely sunny and it was very hot, and we thought, okay, it's a beautiful day, let's just go out and enjoy the day and explore a new place. So we started driving. So we went to some local place, but it was very hot to walk, so we decided we'd go up the mountains so that it'll be a little cool. Started driving and there was a sudden rain, thick black clouds, hailstorm. Heavy rain. Oh my god, it's too heavy. These raindrops are not small, they're gigantic. Like a 365-degree turn in the weather, and now we're halfway up the mountain. 360-degree change in the weather.
360 is coming to the same point. 180 degrees is the opposite side.
Okay, 380-degree change in the weather. Okay,
it's not. You don't have to say degree now.
Sorry. Okay, total change in the weather, and then now we're halfway up the mountain. I've seen a lot of horror movies. I'm a horror movie freak, and all the, as we are going up the mountain, it's reminding me of all the scenes from those horror movies where everything is very deserted and we're just all by ourselves up the hills. It's raining heavily. Okay, it's literally freaking me out, and I usually get a little queasy, like I feel a bit nauseous usually when we go in the bends, and this is a 19-mile drive up the mountain. I don't throw up, hopefully, and we just grabbed a coffee before we started, so all that is happening to me. I'm feeling a little queasy in my stomach, but hopefully I won't throw up. I don't want to throw up. Even if I do, I'll just stop the car and throw up. Okay, so I'm going to show you the view now. Let's go back. See, there are a few vehicles coming down. It's not so scary though. Yeah, the wipers are going to be on, so you may not get a very clear view, but yeah. So it says turnout. So whenever it says turnout, it gives an indication that you can stop, and if there are any vehicles coming behind you, you can let them go. And if you're driving slowly, you can just let them pass, and then you can follow. So that's the reason why they have turnouts everywhere, so it's easier, and you don't want to slow the vehicles that are coming behind. So you can see Subbu's just waiting, and once all those vehicles pass, we know we're gonna go. We've started moving, so I'm gonna turn this a bit. Do you guys miss going outdoors? I really missed traveling, going outdoors. Of course, because of the pandemic, we couldn't do much. So pretty much, I was at home for about more than a year and a half, and it's good to be out. Hopefully, we all take our safety measures, wearing a mask, following the social distancing, and being very safe. We can probably travel again. So we've just stopped for a bit because we kind of lost. We don't know where to go. So Subbu's just checking the Google Maps, and then once he's checked that, we will continue. Yeah, Yeah, morning for breakfast I had a nice omelette. So all that is coming, I'm feeling a little queasy. So I just hope I don't throw up now. So there you go. Can you see the town? Zoom. Okay, there. So you can see the shops. There are shops there. I'm just gonna drive by. Nice place. I think we can park here somewhere. We're gonna park here. Just get down. I've come totally unprepared for this weather. I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to freeze. Pretty much it. It's raining. I don't have any warm clothes. I don't know what I'm going to do. So we're going to stop here now and grab some lunch. Maybe after a bit, we'll just walk a bit and then we'll grab some lunch. See you guys later. Cold, so this is something that I always put in the car, so I'm just wearing that. It's cold. So I'm just going to go into some shop so to keep us warm for the time being. Unprepared trip. So guys, next time you plan something, make sure wherever you're going, just check on the weather before you leave.
It was 90 degrees
when we started, it was 90 degrees. And we didn't expect this sudden rain, and now it's 50. So the rain has stopped. The weather is not so unbearable or very cold. It's nice and cool. It's a bit chilly, but excuse me, but it's manageable. So we're lucky that it stopped raining, so we can just walk around the town a bit. Can you see that? There you go. There's a sunflower. We're going to walk around there a bit. Really lucky the rain stopped. I'm so happy. Because we've come up 19 miles up the mountain, and this is about 6,000 feet elevation. So I'm happy we could walk around a bit. I really miss the outdoors, so I'm really enjoying this right now. I miss this weather also. Yeah. It's beautiful. Pizza. Normally we wouldn't mind having an ice cream, but in this weather I'm not risking anything. So Look at these big trees. So it's about 5 o'clock now in the evening and the sun has come out. It's so sunny and